Hey everyone, another day, another AI/ML project. I'm Krusali Chauhan, an international student at Saturday College and currently doing my internship with Headstarter. Today, I'm excited to show you my latest project, custom built MCP server that connect to Notion and automates pages creation okay, just for like a plain English prompt. So first, what is MCP Model Context Protocol? So MCP stands for Model Context Protocol. It's a way for AI assistants like ChatGPT or Cursor to interact with real tools like Notion, Google Docs, or GitHub by using natural language. Think of it as a bridge between language and action. So this is my final. So this is the MCP server that I created, and this is the. So see, I have a Next.js based MCP server that connects to Notion using the Notion API. It has prompt for the front end and API routes, AIP in MCP. That's press the natural language prompt and creates a new Notion page in the specific database. I want to run this in a VS Code. Give me step by step instructions. So for that, I say this is my VS Code. When I add this prompt, it's give me this response. So we use this as a link, and when you can see it here. It's a roadmap, run research, design, development, testing, and here is a result for that. So now you know what is a MCP, right? So I'll give you all this link. So this is my Next.js. Let me show you what I built. I enter this prompt in the form like create notes and page title to do list and contact gym, sleep and study. So that result, and you can see the JSON response here. See, and you can see JSON response here. So it's clean, fast, and extensible. In order to connect with Notion, I set up env local file. So this is basically database. This is my env local file. You can see it here, right? And now this is my index.js as well. I also set my database with integration in Notion, so it has access to create pages. So now you can even add the server to tools like Cursor. Just paste this JSON into Cursor's MCP setting, so I can copy it. Right now it works with the Notion, but I'm working on adding like Google Docs and GitHub integration, so soon you'll be able to create documents and repositories with just your words. So I'll give you this important link where I studied from. This one, they connect any React application to MCP server in the 3 lines of code. And for this MCP, this is the most important. Sorry. Okay, so this is what I built today, and thank you for watching my MCP demo. If this inspired you or helped you, please like, subscribe, and comment. What should I build next? GitHub repo link in the description. Is see you in the next video. Thank you.